Hey guys, today we are only going to be using paintball guns, so I don't even really need any of these. And medkits. So pretty. Yeah, see him. No! I'm patient for after me. He's way more patient than me. Oh, he's spamming it! He's spamming it! Who is killing me silently? I love this. Watching it some more. You can't aim with this thing. I hate this. Oh no! I'm even leaving. I keep on stealing that guy. Making my series more professional than you. No! No! Someone's silent. If you think I can. No! No! They're really killing me. No! You. He is so dumb. He is so dumb. That's so dumb. Why is no one on the floor? You, Anton. No, not Anton. I don't know why. No, he actually looks like him. Oh, that was cheating. I need to escape. I see Big Man Sonny! Oh my god, that was the team! That's exploit. Look at this. Look what, yeah, I want to cook with that. Yo, what, my team now? Yeah, that's nice. Yo, why are they wearing the same thing? Yeah, the guy. Go! Muzo, okay, I'm gonna. Wait, why have 69 health? It looks so glitched. I'm gonna play like this. You know I'm the first guy. No! What? Who is killing me? What? I'm not even in the lead anymore. Stupid pay to win guys. Goodbye. No! I was just about to kill that guy.
I'm a killer.
I'm leaving. No.